How to fix Brawl Stars from crashing. Now this is basically just a bit of maintenance. So the first thing we'll have to do is to go to our mobile settings. And once we're here, we're gonna have to check on our storage. Now once you find your storage, you should be able to see how much space you have left. If it's clear that you don't have any space left for Brawl Stars to do its thing and download some resources, then you should get rid of some files to give some space for Brawl Stars. As you can see, mine still has a bit of space, so I think our problem is not our phone storage. Now another way to fix Brawl Stars from crashing is to search for the apps in our settings. Once we're here, we'll go to the manage apps options and look for Brawl Stars. Down here we'll see a clear data option, and be careful not to choose on clear all data, as that may mess up some things in your Brawl Stars where you have to re-download again. What we'll be doing is to clear cache, as that just gets rid of some unused files in the game and will make your game technically run smoother and lighter than before. Now the final way to potentially help Brawl Stars system is to put the game on no restrictions on your battery settings, just in case something might be wrong with our battery settings when we open up the game. Now if none of those work, then your last resort can always uninstall and install the game. Basically, to reinstall the game is to get rid of any glitches, any errors, or any systematical confusion in the game itself, and that could potentially prevent your Brawl Stars from crashing. Anyway, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.